I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making Korean style steak sandwich, guys. Let me tell you, this sandwich might be the best sandwich you'll ever have. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Hello guys, so first we're going to marinate our steak. I am going to add some garlic into a bowl, some ginger, some gochujang paste, some soy sauce, some sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and some white pepper. Now go ahead and give that a good mix. Now that the brown sugar has fully dissolved, I am going to add my shaved steak to it. Now we are going to make sure that our shaved steak is fully submerged within this marinade, and we want every piece of this meat to be covered with that marinade. Just like so, guys. So now I am going to cover this with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 1 hour. We are going to slice 1 yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, your red onion, thinly slice your jalapeno. Here are my veggies. Now we are going to make a chili garlic mayo sauce. Add your favorite mayo into a bowl. Now add your chili garlic sauce to the mayo. Give that a good mix. Just like so, guys. Now go ahead and place this in the fridge until we are ready to use it. After an hour, this is how my meat is looking. It is nice and seasoned. Over medium-high heat, I am going to add some oil to my griddle. You can go ahead and use a large skillet if you don't have a griddle. So I'm just going to allow this to warm up before adding my meat. Now that the griddle is nice and hot, I am going to add my meat. And we are going to allow this to cook until it's no longer pink and have a nice searing to it. Feel free to add more oil as needed. After 15 minutes, this is how my meat is looking. It looks great. So what I'm going to do now is remove the meat and place it into a bowl. After removing our meat, I am going to drizzle a little bit more oil. And I am going to add my veggies. Over medium heat, I am going to saute these for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 6 minutes, go ahead and remove your bell peppers and place them back into your bowl. After cooking our veggies, we are going to assemble our sandwich. And as you can see, I have my meat, my bell peppers, my jalapeno and red onion. I have my chili garlic mayo and cheese. So I am going to take some of that chili garlic mayo and spread it on the top of this bread. I am going to add some cheddar cheese to the bottom. I am going to add some jalapeno, some red onions, some bell peppers, and some meat. Now after putting your sandwich together, we are going to brush the top of this roll with some butter and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to stick this in the oven and we are going to bake it for about 5 minutes. Hello guys, so after 5 minutes in the oven, my Korean style steak sandwich is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Guys, I cannot wait to dig in. That is so good. This is absolutely delicious, guys. If you're sick of cold sandwiches, give this sandwich a try. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.